Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning the feature on, open Settings and find Lock Screen Magazine. You must toggle it on and allow permissions, media and storage, so images download reliably. Once done, pick a default account or use guest mode. This tells the phone which content's set to fetch. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active because the magazine pulls new images from Oppo servers. You're initiating the flow that delivers rotating wallpapers and tips each time you wake the screen. Next, customize what appears on your lock screen. Tap categories or edit to pick themes such as nature, travel, or daily tips. You decide why each press matters. Picking fewer categories reduces downloads and keeps images relevant. Make sure to set download options. Wi-Fi only saves mobile data, while allowing cached images ensures the screen still changes when you're offline. Once configured, the system will fetch, rotate, and cache images so your lock screen changes without manual effort. Finish by locking the phone and previewing the magazine. Wake the screen and swipe through cards to confirm rotation. If updates stop, clear the lock screen magazine cache or force stop its app in settings. This often reboots the fetch cycle. Make sure permissions and network access remain granted. If problems persist, toggle the feature off and back on to reset sync. The why here is simple. Cache and permissions control downloads, so resetting them restores normal magazine updates and rotation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.